Slay Bae, welcome back to my channel. So this is nearly New Year's party, so I create this look. So if you want to know my tutorial, stay right here. Whoop. Okay, let's back to the bare. First, like usual, I use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I use shade 220 Natural Beige. So I'm done with my fondue. Right now I wanna use the concealer. I use Max Factor Master Touch Under Eye Concealer with shade Ivory 303. Then with my concealer, right now I wanna use translucent powder. Anyway, aku translucent powdernya by Emina, cuma tempatnya udah aku switch gitu. Nunggu powdernya keset, aku mau bikin eyebrow dulu. Aku pakai Viva pencil yang brown. I guess you need a little bit skill if your pencil like tiny like this. So I'm done with the eyebrow right now. Aku mau nge-remove it translucent powdernya, kayak udah set. Sekarang aku mau bikin eyeshadownya. Aku pakai kuasnya by Cat. Ini tuh yang kuas kayak tiny buat emang bikin line gitu. Pakai warnanya by Tulipe palette. Aku mau pakai yang warna ini tuh dark brown. Anyway, before that, biar ujung eyeshadownya kelihatan sharp, aku mau pakai tape. Ini bisa di Watson gitu deh. Jadi, so tinggal digunting, tinggal ditempelin di sisi. Oke. Ya ampun, kayak pakai koyo ya. Oke, langsung aja ke bagian garis di sini. Anyway, jadi aku mau bikin sedikit kayak wing gitu. Jadi tuh ini kayak line nanti dari cut crease-nya. That's okay kalau misalkan kurang tidy, kurang rapi, soalnya nanti kita smudge lagi pakai so abis ini aku mau nge-smudge-nya pakai warna yang ini. Ini tuh brown juga tapi under this color. Jadi langsung di-smudge aja. I'm done smudge this line. Sekarang aku mau kasih crease-nya, and aku pakai concealer yang tadi. Don't forget bikin ujungnya ini di wings juga. Anyway, aku bikinnya full cut crease. So I'm done with my cut crease like this. So right now I wanna use a champagne eyeshadow. Pakai warnanya yang ini. Ini tuh warna champagne, cantik banget. Oh, so shimmery. I love this color so much. So I'm done with the pretty champagne color, and because this is wanna get a New Year's Eve party, I wanna use liner. This is by Handaiyan. This is silver color, so pretty. Okay. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I can handle it. Yes, queen. Woohoo! Alrighty, let's get a party! I'm done with the glitter liner. It's time to remove the patch. You can see it's so tight. So this is my pretty Champagne Glitter Cut Crease. So untuk lower lash line-nya, aku mau pakai warna yang sama yang aku pakai buat smudge tadi. Warna yang ini, dark brown. And buat inner cornernya, aku mau pakai warna yang ini, gold. And buat brow bone aku mau pakai warna yang ini. So sekarang aku mau bikin wing liner pakai Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing. Anyway, aku mau bikin linernya agak sedikit extravagance, jadi sudut sininya benar-benar aku tajemin sampai ujung sini. Terus mau aku sambungin sudutnya ke yang bawah. Nah, jadi biar nggak patah, terus tinggal dirapiin. Aku mau ngelanjutin liner bawahnya itu pakai pencil liner dari Jasmine. So after I'm done with cat liner, I wanna put the mascara. I use this little tiny Sumptuous Extreme by Estee Lauder. This is a traveling size. Oh ya, jepit bulu mata dulu. Look at this, my lawless, how good this badass. So for eyelashes, I use this K collection in Glam series, type Born This Way. So I'm done with my lashes right now. I wanna contour my nose. I wanna contour my nose with Stretch by Bourjois. This is 04 Flexi Brown. So right now I wanna bronzing my face with bronzer by Estee Lauder. This is number 11 Sun Kiss. So like usual, make 3 layers. I'm done bronzing my face right now. I wanna contour my cheek with a Bourjois. I'm done with my contour. Abis itu mau aku sharpen lagi pakai translucent powder biar lebih tidy. Oke, sambil nunggu translucent powder yang ngeset, aku mau pakai blush on-nya by NYX yang Rose Powder. So beautiful color. Done with blush on. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I want to remove it, my translucent powder. Here you go, honey. After this, I want to highlighting my face. I use this Pretty Love by Handaiyan, number 03. This is so pretty champagne highlighter color. Oh yes, queen. Alright, so highlighter on point. So right now I want to put my lipstick on. So before that, I want to lining my lips with this badass. This is Silky Girl number 1 nude. After I'm done lining my lips, I want to use Lip Matte by NYX Lingerie. This is shade a baby. Anyway, this is my all-time favorite because the color, it's so pretty. Alright, so I want to setting my face with Clinique Moisture Surge Face Spray. So put on this and grab the earring for ready to the party. Okay, earring done. So I guess I'm done with my New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, the Champagne eyeshadow. So if you enjoy my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you don't mind, to share on your social media. And if you want to keep update with me, don't forget to push notification bell below here. And then don't forget to subscribe. So this is my last video on 2018. So see you again on 2019. Cheers! Bye, Slay Bae!